Good morning everyone. Today I am going to be showing you how I take down this tree behind me. Alright, with mainly two tools, my GTA 26, alright, and my MS 170. Alright, my battery MSA 200 is dead, so yeah, I gotta wait till the 220 comes in. So yeah, stay tuned. So this tree is mainly about 3 meters tall, so it's not too difficult, and all I got to do is to pretty much take half of it and then take the bottom down, and that's it. Alrighty, so let's go. Done with this. So as you can see, I have cut it into a pattern. It's because all these grooves will add more surface area for the poison that I need to pour in to kill this tree. So job done. I just have to chop all this down to size and take them to the dump. So now I'm pouring the tree kill, which is basically a tree kill medication with diesel. So this way, it is not water soluble, it won't be washed away when it rains. So that should do it.